This week in episode 3, we've got the 3 best YouTube channels for new vegans. Welcome back. If you're new to the channel, glad you're here. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. This week, we've got the 3 best YouTube channels that helped me when I really started thinking about going vegan or whole food plant-based. The first one should be your first stop before you do anything else. nutritionfacts.org. This one is simply the best resource there is for people out there who are just starting out. Thousands of videos, shorts, easy to consume and to understand. And that's saying something for me. Dr. Greger covers just about anything. Nutrition for kids, causes and prevention of diseases, health recipes, interviews, anti-cancer foods, best food for athletes, men's health, women's health, diet for depression, you name it. It's in there. He covers it all, and he looks at it from a number of different perspectives. And actually, it was the one who got me thinking about just starting with one thing at a time. And I don't need to go into that whole thing again. I'll put the link below to that video. The list can go on and on. It actually can be its own episode by itself, which gives me an idea. I've read and listened to a couple of his books. I couldn't recommend nutritionfacts.org or Dr. Greger enough. It really fills in the gaps and explains things in a way that I found to be easy to understand and to digest. Number 2 on my list is Make It Dairy Free. Simply the best. This is right from their YouTube page. They are the #1 vegan taste test channel on YouTube. They find amazing new vegan products, great resource for learning and living and maintaining a vegan lifestyle. It really helped me early on and still does. They're smart, they're personable, they're funny. A huge resource for new vegans who want to eat like they used to, but want to do it in a different way and do it a little bit better. They go in depth on old and new vegan alternatives, non-dairy milks, the different alternative meats. It's not just Impossible and Beyond anymore. There's a whole lot of them out there on the market now. Different cheeses. They cover just about everything, and they have a lot of great recipes on there. Some of them that I've used or tried to use, and you should really check them out. If you don't, you're really just cheating yourself. You're going to make it a lot harder. This is a great resource that you really need to check out. And number 3 on my list is Monson Made This. This one didn't almost make my list. There hasn't been a new video that I can see on there for 6 months or so. However, there's still a lot of great content on there that you need to check out. A lot that you can dive into. Monson Made This. It's just that. It's a vegan recipe lifestyle channel. A little mix of everything there. Everything from pantry staples, which is really important. You need to, if you really want to do this and you're serious about doing it, you really need to beef up that pantry. Make sure you have the spices you need, because that's really going to what takes you over the edge. Veganized recipes, taste tests, the McDonald's McPlant, for example. I didn't even know that thing existed. Holiday recipes. He does some reviews. Easy, great vegan appetizers. It's just another great resource. Not as in depth as Make It Dairy Free. Some simple hacks, and really explained in a way that's easy to follow and to understand, which is always key for me. Hopefully he continues to make some videos soon, and he's just taking a little bit of a hiatus there, but we'll see. I'm going to have links below to all the channels that I talked about today. Go ahead and click down there and check them out for yourself. These are the 3 YouTube channels that have really helped me along. I find something that I enjoy, something that I want to try to make, and then I can dive into the sciencey and the studies behind it. And I've used these in concert over the years, and they've really kind of tied together and really have helped me out in the long run. And I hope they help you out too. If I've missed any, or if you have some that you really think that I should check out and I left off this one, maybe it's going to be included in the future video, or you can let me know and I'll check it out myself. I really appreciate you stopping by. I'll see you next week.